In this video, I will show how to install Ubuntu 20.04 LTS on Oracle VM VirtualBox. Let's get started. Open a web browser and download Ubuntu 20.04 LTS from this website. Okay, I have already downloaded it on my machine. Now open Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager and then click on New to create a new virtual machine. Enter the machine name, in this case Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. Okay. Now select operating system type Linux and version Ubuntu 64-bit or 32-bit. Okay, select 64-bit and then click on next. Now enter the amount of memory RAM in megabytes. Enter at least 2 GB of RAM here. You can increase this size of RAM if you have enough RAM, but don't use more than half of your actual RAM. Okay. Now click on next. Create a virtual hard disk now. Select VirtualBox disk image and then click on next. You can increase the size of virtual hard disks from here. Okay. Now change some settings. Click on settings and then system. Now click on processor tab and increase the number of CPU if you have enough. Okay, then click on display and enable 3D acceleration and maximize the video memory. Okay, now click on storage and then empty. Now click on this disk icon and choose a disk file. That is your Ubuntu 20.04 LTS ISO file. So select this ISO file. Okay, open. Now click on OK. Now our virtual machine is ready to install Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. Now click on start. Enable scaled mode. Okay, you can escape the disk checking. Press Ctrl+C from keyboard. Okay, now select the language and then click on try Ubuntu. Okay, now open display settings and change the screen resolution okay. Now install Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. Okay, select the language you want to use through the installation and then click on continue. Now select keyboard layout, click on continue. Okay, now choose normal installation or minimal installation. Okay, then click on continue. Now select the option erase disk and install Ubuntu and then click on install now. Okay, the following partitions are going to be formatted here. To partition generated automatically ext4 and a partition for soft space. Okay, now click on continue. Okay, now select the location and then click on continue. Enter your name, enter your computer's name, pick a username and choose a password. Okay, now click on continue. Now this will take a while for copying files, installing and configuring Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. You can skip downloading packages. Installation has finished. Now restart. Press enter. Now select the username and then enter password. Okay, now enjoy Ubuntu 20.04 LTS in Windows 11. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.